Transform your Shopify store into a visual masterpiece with the stunning Shrine theme. First, let's get the Shrine theme into your Shopify store. Head over to your Shopify admin and navigate to the online store section. Then click on Themes. Here, you'll see your current themes. Click on the Add Theme button, and then select Upload Zip File. Now, locate the Shrine theme zip file you've downloaded, select it, and click Open to begin the upload. Once the upload is complete, you'll see the Shrine theme listed. It's crucial to customize it before making it live. Click the Customize button. This is where the magic happens. The Shrine theme's customizer is incredibly user-friendly. You can start by configuring your homepage sections. Think about the order of your featured products, banners, and any other content you want to display prominently. Next, let's tackle the header. You can upload your logo here, ensuring it's clear and aligns with your brand. Adjust the navigation menu to make it intuitive for your customers to find what they need. For product displays, Shrine offers fantastic options. You can adjust the number of products per row, enable quick view features, and even set up collection pages to showcase your items with style. Branding is key. Explore the theme settings to adjust the color palette, typography, and overall style to perfectly match your brand's identity. This ensures a cohesive and professional look. Don't forget the footer. This is a great place to add important links like your contact information, social media, and policy pages. Make sure these are easily accessible. Once you're happy with all your customizations, it's time to go live. Click the Publish button to make the Shrine theme the active theme for your store. And there you have it. Your Shopify store is now looking fantastic with the Shrine theme, ready to impress your customers and drive sales.